In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PDF file in mobile 2026. Making a PDF on your phone is actually very simple, and the good news is that you have several different ways to do it depending on what you're starting with. You can create a PDF from a document from photos or images by using a PDF app with built-in Android or iPhone features, or through cloud services like Google Drive. So the first thing to do is choose the method that fits what you need. If you already have a document in Word, Google Docs, or another editor, open that document first, then tap Share or Export depending on the app you're using. After that, look for the option that says Save as PDF or Export as PDF. Once you select it, choose where you want the file saved. This is one of the fastest methods when your content is already typed and formatted. If you want to turn photos into a PDF, open your Gallery or Photos app and select one or more images. Next, tap Share or Print. On many phones, the PDF option appears from the Print menu, so keep an eye out for that. Then choose Save as PDF and save the file to your device. This is especially useful for receipts, notes, forms, or any paper documents you've photographed. Another very convenient option is Google Drive, which works on both Android and iPhone. Open the Google Drive app, tap the plus button, and select Scan. Take a photo of the document, then adjust the crop if needed so the page looks clean and centered. Tap Save, and Google Drive will automatically convert that scanned document into a PDF. This is a great choice when you need a quick scan on the go. You can also use Microsoft Office apps like Word or the Microsoft Office app. Just create or open a document, tap Share or Export, select PDF, and save the file. If you prefer a dedicated PDF tool, install Adobe Acrobat Reader, open the app, tap Create PDF, select your photos or documents, convert them, and then save or share the result. Once your PDF is created, rename it with a clear file name like resume, invoice, assignment, or contract. A good name makes it much easier to find later. Then save the PDF wherever works best for you, such as your phone storage, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, or iCloud Drive. When you're ready, share the PDF through email, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or a Google Drive link. Finally, open the file and verify everything looks right. Check that the text is readable, the image quality is clear, the pages are in the correct order, and the formatting looks proper. That final check helps make sure your PDF is ready to send or